Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will explore supermicrocomputer in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 13th of May, 2025, our system has ranked supermicrocomputer as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.37. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 30.22% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 55.85% and negative 23.8%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of negative 53.63%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 100% to negative 43.41% over the next year. This would place the future price between $0 and $22.01. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline, High Volatility in Supermicrocomputer Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $38.89. The supermicrocomputer stock price gained 16.02% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025. The price rose from $33.52 to $38.89. During that day, the stock fluctuated 14.37%, with a low of $34.18 and a high of $39.09. The price has experienced ups and downs during this time, resulting in an 8.03% gain over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 40 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 90 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.52 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $101.40, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price is 61.65%, or $62.51, below the 52-week high, and 68.36%, or $84.01, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicrocomputer, Incorporated, known by its ticker SMCI, is navigating turbulent waters as recent reports indicate significant challenges. The company's third-quarter results have raised concerns, revealing a lack of growth or innovation, which has led some analysts to label it a potential value trap. While earnings matched expectations, the decline in quarter-over-quarter growth, coupled with uncertain revenue forecasts, raises red flags for investors. Analysts have highlighted a troubling decrease in gross margin and the possibility of inventory write-downs, which could further impact the company's financial stability. Conversely, there are bullish sentiments around the stock. Analysts from Raymond James express confidence in SMCI's ability to capitalize on its position in the artificial intelligence space, making it a compelling option for those willing to take risks. Notably, a recent stock surge of nearly 14% indicates a degree of market optimism. The introduction of innovative server solutions that enhance efficiency and reduce operational costs positions the company favorably within the competitive landscape. In the short term, volatility is likely as the market digests these mixed signals, including potential declines in margins and revenue forecasts against positive technological advancements. Long-term, sustained investor interest in artificial intelligence and data center demands could provide growth opportunities, but concerns about operational execution and market positioning remain critical to watch. Overall, SMCI's outlook will depend on its ability to innovate while managing its financial pressures effectively. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that KGI Securities assigned SMCI a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SMCI a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicrocomputer stock. They have assessed the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate this stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicrocomputer. The chart indicates mostly positive signals today. The Supermicrocomputer stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be found at the levels of $33.44 and $33.78. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, April 21, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 31.79%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. As the price increases, the trading volume is also rising, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 17 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 47 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we note short moving average, a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicrocomputer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $36.90 and $36.07. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to the next support point. In this instance, Supermicrocomputer finds support just below today's level at $36.90. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $36.07 and $31.86. This stock displays average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $4.91 between its high and low, which is a 14.37% movement. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 7.57%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate a low expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 66 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $42.95. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $36.90. If this support level holds firm, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 22nd of April, 2025, Lu Liang Chu Chu Sarah conducted an insider purchase of 3 million shares of employee stock options. On the same day, Liang Charles also conducted an insider purchase of 3 million shares of employee stock options. On the 31st of March, 2025, Angel Scott did not conduct any insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider purchase of 13,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider sale of 13,600 shares of stock options. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 78.816. In total, insiders purchased 10,013,557 shares and sold 1,232,662 shares in the last 100 trades. Our suggested stop loss is set at $37.44, reflecting a decline of 3.72%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom established 16 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being on a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis from a sell to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of May, we expect Supermicrocomputer to open lower by $1.50 and start trading at $37.39. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Investment choices should not be made based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.